Our next topic is that time and work. Here, first I introduce the relationship between time and work. Assume the total work amount that is equal to 1, then number of days for which work is done, that is B. If work done is equal to A, then work left is equal to 1 minus A. That is whole amount of work, that is your 1. And A is work done, so work left is equal to 1 minus A. Then total time to complete the work, that is 1 divided by 1 minus A into B. See, there is an example. There are 3 persons, Ram, Mohan, Sita. Ram takes 6 days to complete their work. The second person, Mohan, wants 12 days to complete their work. And the third person, Sita, wants 24 days to complete their work. And the fourth person, Ram, also wants 4 units per day. Mohan wants 2 units per day. And Sita wants 1 unit per day. So here, total work, that is equal to 24 units. See another example. There are 2 persons, A and B, as taking. A wants 10 days to complete their work. B wants 15 days to complete their work. And A wants 3 units per day work. And B wants 2 units per day work. Then both, we can see total work, that is equal to 30 units. Our first concept is that complete job. The total amount of a complete job, that is equal to 1, always unless otherwise specified. Next concept is that 1 day work. If a person A can do a work in n days, then A's 1 day's work will be 1 by n. For example, if a person A can do a work in 4 days, then A's 1 day's work, that is equal to 1 by 4. Hence, number of days, that is equal to total work divided by work done in 1 day. So there is an equation, complete time, that is equal to 1 divided by 1 day's work. Our third concept is that part of work done. If A is 1 day's work, that is equal to 1 by n, then after x days, A's work is equal to x into 1 by n. For example, if A is 1 day's work, that is equal to 1 by 6, then after 3 days, A's work is equal to 3 into 1 by 6. So there is a formula, part of work done, that is equal to number of days worked into 1 day's work. So that is equal to number of days worked divided by complete time. Our fourth concept is that combined 1 day's work. When more than one person are working on the same job, then their combined 1 day's work is equal to sum of 1 day's work for each person. So there is an example. If A can do a job in n days and B can do it in m days, and both A and B are together can do it in t days, then A's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by n and B's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by m. And in both cases, that is A plus B is combined 1 day's work, that is equal to 1 by t. That was in concept 2. So A's 1 day's work plus B's 1 day's work, that is A plus B's combined 1 day's work. So we can formulate a formula, 1 by t is equal to 1 by n plus 1 by n. Similarly, if A, B, C are working on a work, then A plus B plus C's 1 day's work is equal to A's 1 day's work plus B's 1 day's work plus C's 1 day's work. So B's 1 day's work is equal to A plus B plus C's 1 day's work minus A's 1 day's work minus C's 1 day's work. Therefore, the cost price of the fan, that is equal to 100 by 93 into 465, that is equal to rupees 500. assume CP that is equal to rupees 100. Then profit that is equal to rupees 80. And the selling price, so SP is equal to rupees 180. Then the cost increases by 20%, that is new CP. So that is equal to rupees 120. Then SP is equal to rupees 180. So profit percentage that is equal to 16 divided by 120 into 100. That is 50%. That is your profit. Therefore, profit decreases by 30%. So we know cost price of 10 toys that is equal to rupees 40. That is your CP of one toy that is equal to rupees 4. And selling price of 8 toys that is equal to rupees 35. That is SP of one toy that is equal to rupees 35 divided by 8. So therefore gain is equal to 35 divided by 8 minus 4, that is 3 by 8. Then we have to find gain percentage, so that is equal to 3 by 8 divided by 4 into 100, that is equal to 9.375%. The next question is that a dishonest merchant sells his grocery using weights 50% less than the true weights and makes a profit of 20%. Find his total gain percentage. So here let us consider 1 kilogram of grocery bag. Its actual weight is 85% of 1000 gram, that is 850 gram. So let the cost price of each gram be rupees 1. Then the CP of each bag that is equal to rupees 850. And then SP of 1 kilogram of bag that is equal to 120% of the true CP. Therefore, SP is equal to 120 divided by 100 into 1000, that is equal to rupees 1200. Next, we have to find the gain. So, gain is equal to 1200 minus 850, that is 350. Next, we have to find gain percentage. So, here we clear 350 divided by 850 into 100, that is equal to 41.17%. Start, it's important to note here that it is not 50% to be added to 5% to make it at a total of 20%. By 100 into 2500 plus 100 plus x divided by 100 into 2500. So that is equal to 120 divided by 100 into 5000. That implies x is equal to 35. Hence, if he makes a profit of 35% on the second, it comes to a total of 20% profit on the whole.